Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use YouTube's AI dream screen for shorts. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use YouTube's AI dream screen, you need to first of all go in that particular tool, and once you have done this tool will allow you to simply place an AI generated image or video behind you while you record your short, essentially acting as a virtual green screen. So simply open the YouTube application and simply tap on create. Once you tap on create, you can simply tap on the green screen option. Now once you have done this, you can simply choose the dream screen, that is a pink sparkle from the bottom of the screen. Once you have done this as well, you can simply type the prompt or describe the background you want and tap on create to generate a few options. After this, select your preferred image or video clip. If you choose a still clip, you can simply use image for a looping video background, and once you have done this, simply tap on the create video option. Now record your short and the AI background will appear behind you. So this is how you can use YouTube's AI dream screen for shorts. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.